Hello friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to Abby's Tech channel, and this video we have a look of TRX crypto. What's the price prediction, what's the price change, and what is the high price of TRX crypto, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold TRX crypto in the April month. A lot of people confused that what should they do. As you know, it is the start of new month, that is why a lot of people confused. So in this video I will show you with the live proof it's the best time to buy, sell or hold. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please first of all subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Don't forget to subscribe. Now let's see the TRX crypto price prediction of previous last 1 hour. We decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold TRX crypto. Friends, as you can see here, they are loading. So if you don't subscribe my channel, click the subscribe button now. So friends, if we see the last 1 hour price prediction of TRX crypto, so they are in negative now, and very less negative. They are falls down, as you can see here, falls down after a falls. It's a continuously procedure of every cryptocurrencies. As I told you in a previous videos that it's a procedure of every cryptocurrencies. In the start of new month, they take a jump for a later time. After a later jump, they again falls down. So friends, don't worry about the TRX falls. As you can see here, the fall is negative 0.08% falls occurs in the last 1 hour of TRX crypto, and the high price of TRX is about $0.137887 is the high price of TRX in the previous last 1 hour. Now let's see the last 2 hour price prediction. After that, we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold. As you can see here, as I told you in the start of this video, that take a jump, and after a jump, now it's currently falling off. The TRX crypto is start. So friends, if we see the average change, absolutely good change of TRX crypto in the previous last 2 hours, because they take a jump in the previous 2 hours. Positive 5.03% change occur in the TRX crypto in the last 2 hours, friends. Now for decision of this buy, sell or hold, we have to look the last week result, last 7-day result, last 7-day price prediction of the TRX crypto. After that, we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold. So friends, as we see the chart analysis of TRX crypto, so that is clear that after as you can see here, that is 31 March, and the start of April, TRX crypto start jumping very fastly like a rocket. As you can see here, they are grows up. So April is a TRX crypto month. As you can see here, last 7-day changes is absolutely good. 113.39% change occur in TRX crypto in the previous last 7-day. Absolutely good change occur in the TRX crypto in the last 1 month. And as you can see here, the high price of TRX crypto is about $0.135059 is the high price of TRX crypto. So friends, my decision, my suggestion for all of TRX holders, that hold your TRX crypto with the last of this month, because as you know on the graph, in the start of April they start jumping upward. So friends, hold it with the end of this month and make a good amount of profit. If you want to buy TRX crypto, so it's the best time to buy TRX crypto and make a good amount of profit. What's your suggestion, what's your opinion about TRX crypto? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, because I update you every hour by new news and updates about cryptocurrency market. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.